Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to reset a service or a maintenance light on a Mk6 Volkswagen GTI. Now they made this body style between the years of 2010 to 2015. They actually had two different styles. There was the earlier ones with the steering wheel that had no controls, and then the later ones that have controls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first show you how to do the one with controls, and then afterwards I'll show you the one without. So pretty simple process. First thing you want to do is turn the key on, and it'll usually say service now right there. So what you want to do is use your controls right here. This is your MFI controls, and you're going to use it to go either to the left or the right. It really doesn't matter until you get to the settings screen. Now once you're to the settings screen, you just want to use the down arrow and go to service. And once you're at service, hit OK. Go down to reset, hit OK. It's asking you, do you really want to reset it? Hit OK. And that's it. Pretty simple. Just to verify, you can go up to info, and it reset 10,000 miles. For the steering wheel without controls, very similar process. So first thing you're going to want to do is turn the key on, and you're going to have some buttons that I don't have. So if you look at the wiper stock, there's going to be some toggle switches right here, and it's also going to say trip. And then you're also going to have a button on the bottom, and it's going to say OK. So what you're going to want to do to get to this settings menu is you're going to want to press and hold the bottom toggle switch, and the menu will eventually pop up. You just let go of the toggle switch, and then to go up and down through the settings screen, you're just going to either hit down or up. Now, when you land on something that you want to make a selection, you just hit OK. So very similar process, easy either way. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment area. Like, share, subscribe. If you know of anybody that you think this would help or benefit from, please share. I appreciate your time, you guys. Peace.